Okay, and the second one is the caps feeder, and the capping machine. So it was combined with a vibration plate, a round plate, and the caps feeder. It presses the caps onto the bottles, so no need any manual operations. And this one is capping machines. It can tighten the caps. Okay, so let us see this one. This vibration plate was fully customized according to your caps. So you need to send us the photo samples. And then for this one, it will automatically presses the caps onto the bottles. Also customizations the part. And okay, come here. This one. The power button also turn on the machines or turn off the machines. Change the languages to setting, same as the filling part, parameters to control the every function, I/O alarm, and the manual button. Okay, and also this one is the emergency part. When something wrong happens or something need to change or need to modify, so just press it and or rotate it. 就这样。